Welcome to Cops Lens, where we showcase real-life police interactions captured on body and dash cams. In this video, we bring you a compilation of 4 intense police encounters with robbery suspects. These clips highlight the high-pressure situations law enforcement officers navigate daily, showcasing their bravery and the quick decisions they must make in the line of duty. Stockton, California on February 4, 2024, around 8:00 p.m., officers responded to a domestic violence call on E. Bianchi Road. The victim reported her boyfriend had multiple knives, and she had severe lacerations.
Driving in, bro. Keep driving in. Where is he at? Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it, you're gonna get shot. Drop the knife or you're gonna get shot. Drop it. He's not obeying commands. Drop the knife or you're gonna get shot. You're gonna get shot. I'm gonna shoot you. Drop it. Don't take a step forward. Drop the knife. 53, he's not obeying commands. He has a knife in hand.
Okay, somebody call Leslito. Put the knife down, buddy.
Drop it, or you're gonna get shot. I don't want to shoot you. Drop the knife. Don't take a step forward. You're gonna get shot. Drop it. I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, listen to me, buddy.
I'm going to shoot you. I'm going to shoot you.
Okay. Please put the knife down, man.
Drop it.
Let us help you, okay?
Drop it, or you're gonna get shot.
Whatever you did, we can deal with it.
Drop it.
Okay? But you gotta let us help you. First thing, you gotta put the knife down.
Bunner, you take cover. You'll have less lethal.
Okay?
Drop it, you're gonna get shot. Please let us help you.
Nobody wants to hurt you. Okay? But you gotta put the knife down. No.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Drop the knife, you're gonna get shot. Nobody wants to hurt you.
Drop the knife or you're gonna get shot. You're gonna get shot. I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, buddy.
Drop it.
We just want to help you, but you gotta put the knife
Don't take a step forward. Drop the knife. Drop
Put
it.
the knife down.
Not obeying
Hey,
commands.
get Leslito. Somebody get Leslito.
Drop the knife. Shot. Drop it. I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, listen to me, buddy.
I'm going to shoot you.
Got less lethal over
I'm
here.
going to shoot you.
Okay. Please put the knife down, man.
Drop it.
Let us help you, okay?
Drop it or you're gonna get shot.
Whatever you did, we can deal with it.
Drop it.
Okay? But you gotta let us help you. First thing, you gotta put the knife down.
Partner, you take
so we can
cover.
help you.
You'll have less lethal.
Okay?
Drop
to
it,
me.
you're gonna get shot. Please
Listen
let
to
us
me.
help
Nobody wants to hurt you. Okay? But you gotta put the knife down. No. Put the knife down.
Put the knife down.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, buddy.
Drop it.
Listen, we just want to help you, but you got to put the knife down for me, please.
Forward. Drop the knife.
Put the knife down. Hey, get less lethal. Somebody get less lethal. Okay, somebody get less lethal. Put the knife down, buddy.
Drop it, or you're gonna get shot. I don't
51,
want
what do
to
you
shoot
know?
you.
You need to check on the victim. He's refusing to put the knife down.
Drop
Put the knife down. Nobody wants to hurt you.
You're gonna get shot.
Nobody wants to hurt you. Put the knife
Drop it,
down.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, listen to me, buddy. Put the knife
I'm gonna
down.
shoot you.
Okay?
I'm going to shoot you.
Okay. Please put the knife down, man. Okay, let us help you, okay?
Drop it, or you're gonna get shot.
Whatever you did, we can deal with it.
Drop it.
Okay? But you gotta let us help you. First thing, you gotta put the knife down, bud, so we can help you.
You'll have less lethal.
Okay? Listen
Drop
to
it,
me.
You're gonna get shot.
Listen to me. Nobody wants to hurt you. Okay? But you gotta put the knife down. No. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Put the knife down.
Drop it.
Put the knife down.
Drop the knife.
Put the knife down. You're gonna get shot again. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Listen to me.
Drop the knife.
Medical staff were on scene and transported Singh to an area hospital where he is in critical condition. Officers located the female victim who sustained multiple severe stab wounds. She was also transported to an area hospital and is in critical condition. A sergeant on scene sustained a moderate injury to his knee while taking the suspect into custody. Pacoima, California on February 16, 2024, at around 7:50 a.m., Foothill Division officers responded to a restraining order violation at a residence on the 13,200 block of Paxton Street. The caller reported that her husband, against whom she had a restraining order, was at the location.
Let me tell her.
Okay, yeah. I'll go see what's going on. So it's a back house or a back room? Hi.
Hi.
You call us?
Yeah, but I have come here already left. No, sí es, no es, no.
¿Cómo que no es?
No, sí, pero, yeah, he just
Who's
can't
that?
get clothes. My son and his dad, he just can't get clothes. He's gonna leave right now.
So who'd you call the cops on?
On him, but I didn't know he was coming to get clothes. But he's gonna leave right now.
Pero no que
Did
ya
it
no
happen?
vivía aquí.
No, no. Huh?
Hey, let me talk to him. Start over here for a second. What's his name?
Pete?
Pete. Hey, Pete. It's the police. What's going on, man? Hey, let me talk to you real quick, dude. You're not under arrest. That's the thing. Let me talk to you about the situation. That way, in the future, you don't get arrested, all right? Come on. Listen, you're not under arrest, dude. Listen, come on. Hey, come on. Listen, dude, I'm not. Listen, dude. Listen, I'm going to talk to you right now, okay? I'm not going to handcuff you. Just stand over here so I can talk to you. Listen, dude. It's either you come over here and talk to you, I'm going to go and grab you and bring you outside. Dude, really? I'm telling you right now. Come here so I can talk to you about the situation, and then we're done. No, over here, away from the door. Away from the door. Get over here. No. Listen to me, man. I'm not gonna tell you again.
Okay. Look,
If I go and grab you,
you're not gonna grab me, dude. Look, dude, I don't want no problems with you.
okay, so just come over here, away from the door, so I can talk to you, and we'll go from there. All right? That's it. I'm not gonna go inside. You just stand right there, so I can talk to you about whatever's going on.
You give me your word.
I'm giving you my word, dude.
As a man.
I'm giving you my word. Stand over here and we'll talk. I don't want you by that door because I don't know what's inside. I don't know who's in there. Stand away from right here. Come on.
Give me the leash for the dog.
That's it. Come on.
I'll stand right here, man.
Over here, look. Away. Come stand over here, look. Between these two doors right here. Look, between these two doors. I already told you. I already told you. I said, look, I'm not setting you up for failure. Between these two doors. I'm not even saying over here. Just here so I can talk to you and you're not anywhere near that door, and then I'll talk to you about what's going on, okay? That's it.
If you're gonna shoot me, then shoot me. Or
No one's gonna shoot you, bro. Stop being dramatic. Stand over here.
I'm not being dramatic. I'm being serious.
No one's gonna shoot you,
I'm
dude.
as serious as you are.
You're not. Trust me, because if I want to go grab you, I can, and you can't stop me.
Okay,
I promise you
I'm
that.
gonna arrest you.
I promise you
talk
that.
to you.
Look, I don't know who's in there, so stand over here. There's somebody in there, right?
Yes, my son's
Okay, come stand over here. Hey, do me a favor, just stay over there, okay? Just stand right here.
Look,
Stand right here so I can talk to you.
Did you talk to me?
Stand right here so I can talk to you,
I'm
dude.
listening to you, man.
Stand right here.
Give me the leash for the
Just stand
dog.
right here. Just stand right there.
I'm here listening to you.
All right, dude, I'm done talking. I'm done now.
Please.
What are you grabbing?
Please.
What are you grabbing?
Please, man.
Get your hand away.
Put your hands up right now.
They're not gonna arrest you. They're just gonna they just want to talk to you.
You're dumb because I told you just
They just want to talk to you.
Back up out of the house.
Don't pull anything out. Don't pull anything out.
You're gonna shoot me, dude. You just shoot me.
You should have done that.
No.
Give me the back.
You're not gonna get me.
Get in the restroom.
Please, man. Don't. You're gonna have to shoot me.
Close that door.
Close that door.
Close that door.
You're gonna have to fucking shoot me.
No one's gonna shoot you.
No, you're gonna have to shoot me, dude. You're gonna have to kill me. You're gonna have to
Get
I'm not gonna go with
You
you.
weren't gonna go to jail.
No, look, you're telling me you're not willing, but now I am.
You're not behaving. That's why.
No, wait.
Just stand over here. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do.
If you're gonna shoot me, dude, you shoot me, man. Nobody wants to shoot you, dude. Okay, but you want to put me in jail? I don't want to go to jail.
All I wanted to do was talk to you about what's going on.
I'm here talking to you. We're talking.
I told you to get over
I'm not
here.
gonna fucking go with you, dude. Look,
Right. I'm gonna put this back real quick.
No, man. Please, man.
What are you grabbing?
My wallet.
What are you grabbing back there?
Look it.
Let go.
Look it.
Let me see your hand.
Put your hands out right now. If you don't,
Let me see your hand.
I will fucking take.
During the attempt to detain him, a physical struggle ensued. Garcia then produced a pistol from his waistband and pointed it at the officers. At the same time, one officer used a taser on Garcia.
The worst it gets for you. All you had to do was stand over here. That's it.
You're gonna put me in ankles.
I wasn't.
Please, man, don't. I don't want to do this. Don't do it. Hey, don't do it, dude. You're gonna have to. Don't. You're gonna make me do this, Mark. Don't fucking do this. Don't. No, man. Come on. Shut. Man, fucking don't.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Officer needs help. Shots fired. Officer needs.
Come on, man. You set me up. Get out of the house right now! You set me up, dude. You got the house up, huh? Why you do this? I can play. Why you do this to me, dude?
The 27-year-old officer involved in the shooting was taken to a nearby hospital for treatment of a left-hand injury sustained during the incident. It was determined that the injury was likely caused by a round fired by Garcia, which impacted a metal bed frame and ricocheted, striking the officer's hand. The officer was later released. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Share your thoughts and let us know what you want to see next. Montgomery County, Texas on March 11, 2024, around 8:09 p.m., Houston police, aiding a task force, observed 44-year-old Roosevelt Jamie Overton, JRB, commit an aggravated robbery at a liquor store on 26,834 North Freeway. The black SUV he was driving was linked to multiple armed robberies.
Stop! 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 You're gonna get shot! I don't have the road. I got units surrounded them now. Now we're southbound behind the businesses. Drop it! Don't drop! Cease fire! Hey, everyone good? Everyone good? Everyone's good. Suspect down. Suspect down. I'll go to North Main. I got North Main. Hey, get on the main channel. Everybody take a breath. Hey. Down. Maintain cover on him. Where's the gun at? Guys to the left. Okay. Cover. Do not move. Hold what you got. Stay right here. You good? I'm good. You good? I'll go to North Main. I got good. Everyone's good. Everyone's good. I'll go to North Main. I got North Main. Hey, somebody take my face. Get on the main channel. Nothing. Everybody take a breath. Calm down. Dispatch North. Where's the gun? Patrol.
Everybody go.
Stand by, they're working them.
I got rifles. Switch out rifles. I got rifles. I got rifles.
Slow it down.
Hey, he's open, look.
Hands! Hands!
Hey, your hands ready? He's reaching!
Hey, watch the rifle.
He's got a pistol.
Hey, watch the rifle.
Northbound of the parking lot. Northbound of the parking lot.
Watch the crossfire!
Still eastbound. I don't have the road. I got units surrounding them now. Stand by. All right. Now we're southbound behind the businesses.
Everyone's good.
Hey, shot fired.
Everyone's good.
Everyone's good. Suspect down.
Hey, everybody take a breath.
Hey,
They're behind the businesses.
Everybody take a breath. Hold down. Maintain cover on him. Where's the gun at?
he's right there. Right by his leg.
Not move. Hold what you got. Stay right here.
Overton ran into a bayou tributary, still refusing to drop his gun. Officers from multiple agencies discharged their duty weapons, striking Overton. Officers provided first aid, but Overton was pronounced deceased at the scene. No officers were injured.
Get on the ground! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I will shoot you! I will shoot you! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Decatur, Illinois. On March 18, 2024, around 3:50 p.m., Decatur police stopped 3 individuals at 600 West Grand. One of them, 38-year-old Rocky DePan, matched the description of a suspect in a prior armed robbery. Surveillance footage showed DePan robbing the Decatur discount store for a $5 glass pipe.
Show me your hands! Show me both of your hands! Step toward...
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Put your hands... Hey!
Get on the
Hey!
ground.
Hey!
I will
Hey!
shoot you.
Hey!
I will shoot you.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
All available units, please respond to 600 block of West Grand.
Don't move! Do not move! Stay right there, all right?
Yep.
We're gonna wait until more units.
He's on the ground. No officers hurt. Suspect is down. We're gonna wait for some more officers. Help secure the scene, okay? Cannot see his hands.
62 Central, start Abbott, have them stage.
Check out.
I might try to see his hands over here, alright? I'll stay free, you guys can cover.
All right.
Can you see his hands?
No, we can't see his hands, and there is a gun.
Alright.
And it's all.
I think the gun is laying underneath both his hands.
You want me to roll around on his side to see if?
I'm gonna stay right here.
All right.
Roll around with him and I'll come up.
All right.
Gun, take gun. Put your hands out!
DePan was taken to Decatur Memorial Hospital where he died of his injuries. DePan was armed with a BB gun that was a precise replica of a .357 snub-nosed revolver, exact down to brass bullet casings that hold a charge of Co. 2. After the shooting, the other subjects that were with DePan fled the scene. Neither officer involved was injured.